Back to John Kleis Car Audio. Today we've got another classic to add to our inventory. This is a 993 911 I'm standing in front of, but it doesn't look like one because it's been completely bespoke built and backdated to look like a 70s Porsche. Let's take a closer look. Now, from the front, you've got the fuel filler cap in the center of the bonnet, which I'm sure you've probably seen another manufacturer do that of Porsche modified builds. It's got full carbon body, bar doors and a couple of other bits. I think the rear end's carbon, the front end's carbon. All the glass specially ordered in to be backdated. Even the mirrors built into the windows themselves, absolutely stunning. And in this green color, it just looks absolutely beautiful. But enough of the outside of the car, because I want to show you what we've done, obviously, as much as the car's lovely. So we've fitted a new head unit in the front, but we wanted to keep it period looking. We've put a DAB, obviously aerial on it, so you can pick up DAB reception, but not obviously on the outside. New front speakers by Audison. So, you know, let's go inside and have a look. But before going inside, let's show you what the aerial is for DAB. You just about make it out on the rear window, and that's the logo of the people that built it. So there you go, the rear, right at the bottom of the windscreen is the Sony DAB aerial. It was the most subtlest position, so from the driver's seat you can't really see it. If we get inside the car, let's show you what the style of radio we've done. So this is a RetroSound looking radio. So like a spindle style mount we call it. Rather than a single DIN, it actually mounts the volume knobs through the fascia and mounts from behind, so it looks like a really old 70s radio. Now that surround that you can see around it, we've actually made that and then trimmed it in the same material as the interior. So if you look at the basket weave style interior it's got on this car, we've actually trimmed that fascia in that. So I'm sure you agree, it looks like it's meant to be there. Beautiful job. Now we've got here in the front, we've got Audison Prima APK components. So Prima mid-bass driver, Prima tweeter. Let's get a bit closer look. There you go, it looks nice. Happy with the job. It's not exactly one of the hardest jobs we've ever done here, but we just wanted to have an option where it looked more in keeping with the vehicle rather than a modern style radio, because in a very bespoke build like this you don't want to put like a 1990s looking radio, despite the 993 actually being a 90s car. Yeah, about it really for today. Very simple installation overall, although it took about a good day to make it look like that. But yeah, we're happy with it. Any questions, drop us a message. Like and subscribe to our channel. For now, it's Connor from signing off. See you later.